Galing Toronto.
Okay, nakita kayo doon. May
Kita
show
kami sa
ka, may
LA.
show sila.
Hindi, nag-guest sila sa ASAP eh.
Okay.
Wait lang, naisipan mo lang na ipag-shopping sila.
Noong una nagjo-joke lang ako. So yung shopping, yes! O di syempre. Pero I felt like, maganda nga naman. Di ba meron ka mga pamangkin or mga...
Sino ang mga babae aayaw sa shopping? Hello.
Natuwa ka lang.
Natuwa ako. Alam mo, naaalala ko nung panahon ng pandemic. Di ba nauso yung kubo? Minsan dumadaan ako sa kubo nila eh.
Oh.
Tapos, syempre, yung pahul ka ng
Ah,
kanya, ganyan. I'm really so fond of them.
so hindi pa sila sikat na bini doon, ha?
Hindi pa.
Unfair.
Ewan ko naalala nila yun. But, so nung sumikat na sila, sobra akong happy for them. Nakita ko yung tiyaga nila, yung pagpupursige nila, yung disiplina nila. Wala lang. I guess I'm just happy for them.
Tingin mo magkano nga?
Oh, so,
Wala.
Hindi, pito sila, di ba, Og? Tama ba? Pito sila, di ba? Ah, walo? Okay, sorry. So, walo sila. Magkano inabot ng
Wala
bill?
naman.
First time mo ba magpa-shopping?
Hindi, lagi ako nagpapasya.
Sanay, si Nino.
Kasi yung shopping sa community.
Kinimin daw.
Wala yun. Shopping.
Okay, so nung sinabi mo na gusto mo silang i-guess, oo, agad yung mga girls.
Oo. Ewan ko sila, pero yung handlers
Oo.
nila ako.
Oh, so anong
Hindi
gagawin
ko
niyo?
ba pinag-shopping handlers nila?
Anong gagawin niyo dito sa Ogie Ogie?
Well, kakantahin nila, I think, is Salamin. And then we will do Dito sa Puso Ko together, a reimagined version. And then I asked, sabi ko, sino bang pwedeng bumirit? So sabi ng handlers nila, si Maloy daw. So
May do it kayo.
meron akong bagong version kasi ng hanggang ngayon.
Wow!
So yun, sabi nagkita kami ni Maloy nung
Magpasikat.
magpasikat, yeah. Sabi ko, uy, kita ka. Tulungan daw ako sa rock. Sabi ko, walang problema. So, excited to hear it. And excited to perform with her.
So sino yung medyo favorite mo sa Bini? Si Maloy?
Hindi naman, gusto ko naman sila lahat. Pero feeling ko siya yung nakakausap ko lagi. Kasi naalala ko noon, taga alam mo, taga Taal siya eh. Or Lemon, o Batangas. So, doon kami nagkakaintindihan. Nagbabatanggenyo siya sa akin, nagbabatanggenyo rin ako sa kanya. So, meron kaming ganun.
Wow! Tapos siya yung makakaduwit mo.
Oo, nagkataon.
Kilala mo sila lahat by name and face.
Si Maloy lang.
Hindi naman na yung favorite mo.
Huwag kang mag-alala, may memorize ko.
Hindi ka kakanta ng Bini song. Dapat meron ka ring Bini song. Sila kakanta ng Ogie song.
Ayoko naman hindi ko kaya yung choreo nito.
Ikaw pa ba? Nasayaw mo yung mga ano?
Comedy.
Kung may opportunity gumawa ng song for them.
No, we do have a collab. It's gonna be released
Anong
next
title?
Sige. Sige, galaw-galaw.
So dance song
Pop
yan.
song, upbeat.
Ano?
Upbeat.
Oo.
Mellow, mellow.
Mag-invento sana ako ng title.
Ito
Na,
na.
ano, sige, galaw-galaw, chuk-chuk-chuk. Ang luma. Ang luma. No, sige, galaw-galaw.
Ito na ang bagong sumayaw sumunod.
Pero,
Medj.
Oo, ah.
pero yung mga old songs, pero known ka, di ba si Ogie sa banda?
Noon ba?
Oo naman.
So many ways.
Pero may gumawa ka ba noon ng mga...
Okay, hindi ko alam kung narinig ko na yung bagong version ko ng Bakit Ngayon Pa Lang yung medyo rock siya. Bakit ngayon?
Coldplay version.
So, medyo nagustuhan siya ng fans. So, kaya ginawa ko yung Reimagined EP, which I'm releasing this month. So, November 1 lalabas yung Nandito Ako. Kasi araw ng patay yun. Joke lang. Hindi maganda yung joke na yun. Itong November, re-release ko yung buong EP. Andun yung Nandito Ako, Yung Sumayo Sumanod, Mahal Kita Walang Iba, Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang, Dito sa Puso Ko. Kami nakalimutan. Please Don't Go Away. May yun, re-release this na.
Reimagine ka.
Reimagine.
year, nagsimula na itong mga concerts
Yeah.
na pinaproduce
Yeah.
mo. Ngayon, ikaw na ulit yung magpe-perform. May na-appreciate ka ba? May difference ba? Meron bang mas maganda ba? Which side is better?
Mas madali mag-produce pag ako.
Pag ikaw,
Dahil?
pag ikaw lang.
Hindi, syempre wala na ako ibang
Wala na,
kausap.
yeah.
diba? So, but I have to say, producing for Martin, for me, personally, was a wonderful journey. Kasi, sabi nga niya, parang walang gumagawa nun eh. Pero, ano ba yung pumasok sa isip ko nang ginawa ko yun? Wala lang, mahal ko lang si Martin. And I believe in him, and I think he deserves an Araneta concert. So, I'm happy. He was fantastic. It was a good crowd. Rave reviews.
It was
We
a
wanted
hit.
to have a repeat, but we just didn't. Wala lang time eh. My bad, hindi namin na-anticipate agad. And then, sikip na yung November, Kenya, and then December. And then itong Street Boys naman, wala lang. Parang, ang sarap pala maging producer. Nakakatakot. Kasi, syempre, i-invest ka sa mga productions na hindi mo naman, na hindi ikaw. Diba? Mas alam mo yung market mo, mas alam mo yun. Diba? So, mas kakapait pa yung sino pa manonood. But I just trusted my instincts. I'm a fan, obviously, of Martin, and I'm a fan of Street Boys. So, I want to produce concerts that I want to watch. I want to produce concerts that, you know, yung may nostalgia. Now, having said that, of course, my favorite is doing my own concert. So from here on until next year, puro Ogie na tayo.
So malaki ang kinita mo sa Martin concert.
Congrats.
Marami bang shopping?
Hindi ko alam kung malaki, pero i-release sa akin ni Kaka yung pera. Nakangiti naman siya.
Wow.
So siguro okay naman.
Oo naman, hit siya.
Yeah.
So number one requirement when you produce, kailangan fan ka.
Siyempre, bakit ka mag-produce ng hindi mo alam? Another challenge is that ang mahal mag-produce nila. Yung mga materyales, yung just to come up with a stage. Payat ang 10 milyon, diba?
Wow.
In one day, diba? It's like, pag iniisip mo, mahirap. So susugal ka dun sa instinctively you like to. So, ang sponsors pati, marami kaming kalaban, maraming events, maraming foreign groups na dumarating, maraming mga products na pwede naman sila nang gumawa ng event, diba? They can produce their own events. So, and then, syempre, very limited na ng pera ng sponsors. And it's at the end of the year, so nakalatag na yung pera nila for next year. So I'm learning those things na dapat pala yung pagligaw ko sa sponsors mas maaga na for next year. In fact, this November, meron akong isa pang semi-trade launch gagawin namin with LVD. So, maliligaw ulit ako ng mga sponsor for next year.
LBD.
Pero kung would you say major acts, ay yung foreign acts, major threat pa rin talaga sa inyo?
I wouldn't say it's a threat kasi ako gusto ko rin manood. Ang dami rin ako gusto manood. Pero syempre, sa panlasa ng tao at syempre sa hilig ng tao, sa totoo lang, unahin mo yung foreign. Diba? Kasi kami, napapanood nyo dito, nakikita nyo kami sa TV, you're familiar, diba? Iba yung para kang bumili ng imported na gamit. And it's not a bad thing. It's not, it's something that we have to hurdle. So it's just the challenge is on us. How do we then encourage sponsors to say, you know what? Okay, let's go local. Let's go. Diba? Kasi syempre kami, produce kami, patingi-tingi lang. But if you're going to do it on a constant basis, lagi kang may concert, ipinoproduce, then they say, oh, okay. They're serious about what they're doing. Kailangan may ganun din. Merong makita ka ng mga brands na they're serious about it.
Ogie, so far yung mga, parang thematic, ng 18 throwback or naka-anchor ka sa nostalgia. Yun ba ang...
Well, we did
hanggang
also, sorry to cut you, we did Lara and Gian also. Yun naman, that was in the movies, and then we did their theater, parang Broadway then. So, yeah.
nostalgia pa rin.
Oh, yeah, medyo. So, yun yung market natin. Mga tito-tita. Itong 90s. Kahit magkaila sila, tito-tito na rin sila po, di ba? So,
Yes.
it's they're the paying crowd. They're, magkanong ticket? 8,000? 7,000?
Mm-mm.
It's not cheap. Yeah, you have to kind of measure how many times will you multiply 8,000.
Ogs, may collab ka with Beanie.
Yes.
Hindi mo naisip what if may song ka rin na gawin for SB19 na rin tawa. It's bago Beanie, sila naman yung mas, sa P-pop.
Beanie was just so open to do. Mahirap kasi makipag-collab din pag hindi ko naman din kilala masyado. Diba? I mean, yung Beanie nakikita ko lang.
Nakasama mo.
Oo, nakakasama. So, I would love to do with SB19, but I'm not really close to them. I've never guested in their shows. I think they're a fantastic group. I think they're great. So, maybe. Malungkot ka? Bakit parang
May jet lag siya. May jet lag siya.
nainitan ka, no?
Hindi naman.
Ay, Lee, mainit daw.
Hindi. Ogs, kasi di ba ang Beanie nga, nababash kasi sa mahal ng mga ticket.
Yeah.
So ito ba, payag sila na ang ticket na hindi ganun kamahal.
Sino?
Ang Beanie.
Hindi, guess ko lang naman
Oo
sila.
nga, guess mo sila. Pero yun nga, nababash sila sa
Ay, yung TF nila. I'm sorry, ano yung tanong mo?
Tickets and TF.
Libre
Mahal
sila
ba yung
dito
tickets
sa reg.
mo sa concert?
Pareho lang. I think it's... No. Mahal dahil sa akin. Wow! Joke. No, in fairness to them, hindi sila sumingin sa akin. Parang ang sabi, bahala na kayo. Baka yung pang shopping ko, yun na yun. But no, of course we allotted.
Ganun kalaking shopping.
Sa Hermes lang
Grabe.
naman. Joke!
Ah!
No. They were so kind to me.
Iba si Nido.
So, yung ticket kasi sa, well, yung NPAT, siyempre mas maliit na lugar yun. So, mahirap kung ang ticket mo doon. 1.5 lang.
Pero minsan mahirap di ba yung hindi naniningil lang exact TF? Paano mo babayaran yung gano'n?
Ikaw na susukat mo. Pag sinabi sa'yo, kayo na po ang bahala. It's like saying, yun na yun. Kayo na po ang bahala. Kayo na sumukat nun.
May halong friendship na
So sa akin,
Sino?
magandang gesture yun. So siguro mga 5 million. Joke.
Gusto na yung kailangan ng Ogie the Music.
napakayaman ng Ninong eh.
Pakayabang! Ha?
Ogie the Music.
Yes. Okay. So dahil dyan, alam mo, naurong yan kasi next year, ang dami kong gagawing series. So hopefully,
Concert series ha.
Oo, mga maliit na show na sunod-sunod, dami kong gagawin. So, Ay, hindi ko kaya yun. So, hopefully, at the end of next year magawa ko. Kung hindi, 2026.
Ikaw, Ogie will play as yourself.
I'll play another character. I think his name's Roger.
Musical about yourself ba to?
No. It's about... napanood niyo ba yung Magpasikat ko?
Kailan ba yan? Kailan kayo
Yung
nagpagpagpag?
Tuesday.
Ah.
Sino nanonood? Wala. Ikaw lang. Grabe kayo. Wala kayo support!
Sorry. Sorry na, manood kami ngayon sa YouTube. Oh.
Panoorin nyo na muna. So, pag napanood nyo yun, medyo mas maiintindihan
Ah, so may pa-preview ka na doon?
Hindi naman, but the gist of what I was explaining there is the character that I'm going to
So yung magpasikat yung concept.
Teka. Hindi, yung germ galing sa staff. Yung execution was Kim and myself, but yung part ko was me. Part ni Kim was her.
Ah, okay.
Yung part ni Lassie and MC was a
Individual.
Panoorin nyo. Panoorin nyo yung performance.
After more than 3 decades, paano mo na maintain yung relevant?
Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko nilalagay lang ako sa lugar na kung saan pwede ako maging relevant. I mean, of course, there were periods in my career when ano nangyayari sa akin or susubok ako ng ganito pero wala, you know? So, I think I just kept trying and trying. And makukuha mo rin yun ulit eh. Kasi mahirap kasi makuha sa career yung second win or the third win or the fourth win. So, kaya sinasabing second win, di ba, yung pagtakbo mo. Yung, di ba, pag tumatakbo ka sa marathon, yung umpisa ng takbo mo, medyo hinihingal ka. Hanggang sa parang after about 10-15 minutes,
Steady ka.
para ka na lang
Nag-glide.
nag-glide, and that's what they call the second wind. At the same time, when you're sailing a boat, you have to catch that wind again, di ba? Hindi mo alam kung kailan dadating yung hangin. So,
Pala yun.
kailangan mo lang talagang abangan and be patient.
Kung hindi ka mo dire-diretso. Wala nang isa.
Thank you.
Nakailang win ka na, Ogs?
Wind?
Kasi.
Isa lang. Actually,
ka siya
to be
huminto
honest,
eh.
hindi ko alam.
Dire-diretso.
Okay, siguro, himay-himayin natin. So, when I started singing and then I started doing movies with Mother and then Viva and all of that, parang hindi mo alam kung ano ako eh. Ano ka ba? Actor, comedian, singer, di ba? And then there was Bubblegang, which was so popular na parang, comedian siya. He's a funny guy. In fact, maraming mga bata ngayon na who are in their late 20s na, of course we know him, he's that funny guy. Siya yung Yaya and Angelina, siya yung boy pickup. When they say sing, I'm a singer. So the older generation is the ones who are 40, 30, they're the ones who know I'm a singer.
Kami yun.
Kayo yun, di ba? 40, 30. So if you fast forward then after
Baka
after
30.
my GMA, Bubblegang, and SOPs din, nawala ako. Parang wala nangyayari.
TV5.
Movies, ganyan. Then I went back to ABS-CBN and then nilagay nila ako sa ASAP. And then Hurado. So then, you know, singer siya eh. Yeah, siya yung sumulat ng mga kantang na Regine. You know? So there was that identification. But when I joined Showtime, ay, nakakatawa pala to. Marunong din makipag. Tapos, i-judge din siya. So, I think it's Showtime that solidified who I am finally because you're seen every day. Tapos yung mga bata, nagkaroon ako ng mga buckets talaga ng fans. Ay, gusto ko sa Kuya Ogie. I became a father figure also. And
Ninong Pig.
Ninong. I think it's really Showtime that kind of put things together. So,
Naging kulaga ka ba?
nung una, guess lang.
Pero Ogie, yung iba, pa-wind down na pag a certain age. Ikaw parang hataw ka lalo. Parang mas binibisi mo yung sarili mo.
TH mo siya.
Araw-araw. Tapos shows.
Ngayon, super
Ah,
produce.
Kaya nga panoorin nyo yung pagpasikat ko.
So, sige na
Kasi
nga.
makikita nyo doon yung gusto kong sabihin. Ang theme kasi namin is tigil, hinga, kalma. So, parang
Saan ka
we
doon?
were,
Saan ka doon?
kaming lahat yun. Tigil hinga pa yan. But my part there was, ano ba ang gagawin ng isang aging performer? Ang dami ng
Aging?
bata ngayon. But saan ka baka kabalulugar? Sina MC and Lassie naman, mga komedyante na ang hugot naman nila yun. Ang dami rin nilang binabayaran. Diba? Breadwinner sila. And they have to be funny all the time. Kasi Kim naman, yung parang, yung example ng push, pero bash ka, bash. Parang, why am I doing all of this? So, the answer was, you stop. Tigil, hinga, kalma. Just review yourself and embrace what's more important, which is family, diba? And of course, God. So, yun yung essence ng performance natin. So, to answer your question, I haven't stopped because I love what I'm doing.